Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust L. Today we're gonna do an Hermes purse unboxing, and this is my first Hermes bag, guys. I have Hermes accessories, but not the purse. I will insert to you the real unboxing that I did when I came home from work and was so excited to just open the box. And this is it. I just received this in mail and it came with this, guys, and I got this online, and this is actually my first Hermes bag. So it is well wrapped with this paper, and it is all the way, guys. And now I can see the box. Oh my god, it is really wrapped so well. Look, guys, look at this. Oh my god. Wow. So this is the first orange box. Open it together. So I was trying to do the video and my phone died. You see, guys, I was so excited and was so thrilled and even giggling when I opened the box, as it was very, very pretty, and it is here now, and it is just so pretty, guys, that I could not believe that I have this in my collection. And this is the receipt actually, and the retail is 3,375 US dollars. I've been wanting to buy this purse for the longest time, but we don't have an Hermes store where I live, and I just purchased my Hermes accessories online. And when I got an email a few days ago that they have bags on the website, I checked it out, and that's why I was able to get it. This is the care card, by the way. So Evelyne bag, I think, is one of the most practical bag that you can have in your collection, as it is very casual and just laid back and so easy to use. And this is the bag, guys. It's called Evelyne 329. So I guess the number is for the size. I am not really familiar with Hermes, its leather and its size, as I'm not really like into Kelly and Birkin. Aside from the price point, I think it doesn't really fit my lifestyle, as I am a casual dresser. So here it is, guys. It is just so pretty and it is brand new. I am looking into pre-loved before, but for some reason I really didn't pull the trigger to buy it, as I want to buy it brand new for this type of bag, and it doesn't really cost much. Actually, Chanel Mini even cost more than this. But look at the workmanship, guys. The craftsmanship of Hermes is just over the top. A snob designer brand for a reason, as they really do the job very well. And the leather is so soft. This is inclements leather, and it's just squishy, and yet you can feel that this is a durable leather. And this is supposedly the front of the bag. It has a slip pocket for your phone, but I guess if I'm gonna wear this, I'll just like have this dangle. And here it says Hermes Paris, made in France, in silver paint. And then here it's in the silver hardware, and inside this strap, also in a cute dust bag, and it is in a canvas strap like this. And here it's also etched Hermes Paris, made in France. And I read the returns. You can return the bag, I think 30 days, as long as all this plastic covering is still intact. And I am keeping this bag, guys, so let's open this plastic together. So the plastic was really placed in such a way that once you remove it, you cannot put it back. It is really placed well, and there's no way for us to really put it back to just in case you feel like returning it. So make sure that if you buy from Hermes online, that you're gonna decide that you're gonna keep the bag prior peeling the plastic out. So here guys, and this is really like a jewelry material. Hook it on the bag. So this Hermes that was painted will be inside, as this strap will be showing outside. Very, very pretty purse. Like the workmanship is just over the top. You cannot find any flaws on this bag. Like, it is nice to buy a bag and not looking into the flaws, because with Chanel and Louis Vuitton, we usually have to inspect the bag because sometimes there are bags that went past through the quality line, and we have to be mindful in looking if there's one stitch that came out or one paint that is out of place from the bag. But this purse is just perfect. That's all I can say. So this one I think was squished in the mail, but I'm gonna buy an insert for this one. I'm gonna show you guys the belt that I have through the years. That's why I know that Hermes leathers are really, really beautiful. I have this close to 10 years, I think. But look at this, guys. Very, very beautiful. Still in amazing, amazing condition. Like, I use this all the time with my shorts and my jeans, and it's still very, very beautiful. This one is in silver hardware, and because it is shiny, it has a lot of scratches. That's why I bought this kind of hardware, and this is the original hardware that came with this belt. And because I love it so much, I found this in a consignment shop, so I can mix and match with a silver and gold hardware. And this doesn't scratches easily here because of the grooves that it has. And this reverses to orange color. And when I looked online, it has it has a light blue, this color, and then the black one and the navy blue. And then when I looked again after like a day or two, there's only the navy blue and this black available. And today I looked, there's only this black available. So it looks like people are just surprised. Evelyne bag is on site, so as the picotin. I saw the picotin too, and then it just flew like hotcakes. So I hope Hermes will gonna put those bags, those classic bags, still on website, so that for us who don't have an Hermes store near us can still purchase and enjoy the bag. And I am just so happy and elated that I was able to get this brand new at a reasonable price for this bag. And I also have this Hermes Collier de Chin bracelet that I have years back and have worn it with my Chanel purses. And this is also in palladium hardware, and it really matches this bag, and I am just happy to have both. Though this is such a heavy bracelet, that's why I don't usually wear this. But now that it matches together, I think I will make use of this leather. I'm even planning of selling this bracelet as I don't reach for it that often. I think I only used this like 3 or 4 times, as this is such a heavy piece, but it is so beautiful when you put it on your wrist. So pretty. So together, it's just perfect. And now that I have the black matching bracelet and this bag, I'm thinking of getting the Oran black sandals. What do you think, guys? So I know if you own this, guys, I know now why you are so obsessed with your Evelyne bag as well, as this is such a very well-made bag and practical bag. And inside has this suede-like material here that when you feel it is just so soft and just durable to touch. So stay tuned for the mud shots, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate each one of you. May all of you have a wonderful day, and take care, everyone, And please do like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. And we'll do the matchas right now.